So if we look at the European Union, who makes the basic decision?
Yeah.
Okay. It's not the national state. The basic decisions are made by a troika, the IMF, unelected European Commission, and the central bank operating in Brussels. And one of the reasons why we're seeing in Europe a spread of so-called populism, meaning opposition to the established institutions, to the centrist, center-left, center parties that have governed the country. Plenty of opposition to them, rage, anger, fear. Part of the reason is that the decision-making has in fact been further removed. It was always quite remote, but further removed from people themselves. And the decisions that are being made at the high level beyond popular control basically respond to the northern banks, not to the population. The level of what's called austerity, the version of neoliberalism, has had dire economic effects on large parts of the population, and it is angry, enraged people. When we turn here, is Trump listening to his constituencies?
Yeah.
No, he has one major legislative achievement so far, what economist Joseph Stiglitz properly calls the donor tax bill of 1917, a bill which harms the general population, harms Trump's constituency, benefits his actual constituency, which is concentrated wealth and corporate power. What we've been observing in the United States for the last year, in my view, it's a sensible system in which the figure in the White House focuses attention on himself, total media attention on Trump and his antics, and showing up the falsehoods of yesterday, which have now been forgotten, and so on. And while he's doing that, the more savage wing of the Republican Party, Ryan Connell and the rest, are ramming through legislation which is extremely harmful to their pretended constituency, their voters and everyone else, and in fact to the world in general. We cannot forget why the doomsday clock has moved for 2 minutes to midnight. That's an overwhelming fact, surpassing everything else we're discussing, and it's largely because of these actions that are being taken under the cover of Trump's antics. It's a good game, it plays very well, but it's extremely dangerous, and it's leading to rage, anger, irrationality, and sometimes support for charismatic figures who claim to represent it, but in fact they're working for other interests.
For more debates, talks and interviews, subscribe today to the Institute of Art and Ideas at IAI TV.